do I do now?
I've sent you your last reinforcement. It's up to you two now. Kill the masked man.
Alright, I will. Who are you?
Agent John Clark.
I'm Agent.
I know who you are. You don't have to. Are we gonna take him out?
Yeah, let's go. So where are we going?
I have a camp set up a little bit north.
Alright.
We have enough supplies, ammo, and food to last us about 2 weeks. Why was I brought here? And who are we trying to kill?
And this hard drive has a formula to bring people back from the dead. And that's what he wants.
So what does this guy look like?
I don't know. He's always wearing a mask.
They're coming for us.
Who? The assassins. They want the hard drive, but we need it more. You're gonna go after them, you're gonna shoot them. I want you to stay recon. We can give these bastards a taste of their own medicine.
Nate, go find a good spot in the Bronx Patrol. I'll find a good sniper spot. Alright.
I don't know. He's always wearing a mask. What happened, Nate? I thought I could trust you.
I was never on your side.
Yeah, well, I have the hard drive now, so it doesn't matter. Clark, secure the perimeter. This is gonna get ugly. It ends here, buddy. Thanks, man.
Let's go. We got work to do. Justin,
Yeah.
jump. That dang sniper, dude. We gotta take him out next. And after him, we're going for the masked man. You're not gonna know what hit him. You'll be alright.
Lock and load, baby.